Hello children, today we are going to see the quiz 4 in general knowledge. Let's start the class now. Literature. What do the following terms indicate about the passage in the text box? They gave some questions and the answers also below they are gave. Now we are going to find the correct answer for the questions. Translation. The translation is the original work in some other language. We are translate the language. The original work we are translating in some other language is a translation. Is an adaptation. Original work has been modified to suit the readers. Original works are modified because some of them are need to explain too much, and some of them are need to just they listen the class, they will understand what they are telling. So the original work has been modified to suit the readers. Extract. Only portions from the original work have been printed. Only portions from the original work. They need not print too much of things. They just need the original work has been printed is the extracting. And then abridgment. Only work has been shortened and condensed. Only the need. What are the things we need? Only we have been expressed. We have been shortened and condensed. Retold. Original work is told again in different ways. We are retold. We are re-explaining to the children. The original work has been explained in different ways. If they are not understand, it will be say in different ways. Fill in the blanks. The first one. If the combustible substance is dash, then the fuel gives a flames while burning. The answer is the volatile. Second one, we say that the combustible substance is dash when it combines with oxygen. When it combines with the oxygen, the substance, the firing substance, it is also converted to that oxidized. It is also be oxidized. And the third one is the temperature at which a combustible substance catches fire is called the dash temperature. This is an ignition temperature. Graphite is a dash conductor of electricity. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. All the electronic products, it had a graphite inside it, then only we can be then only it conducts the electricity. The fifth sum is 8x cube minus 27 is equal to, and they are asking one expression and they give some one expression is that 4x square minus 6x plus 9. We are going to find the answer. 8x cube minus 27, I commonly take the cube bit outside, then it will be changed at 2x minus 3 the whole cube. The 2x minus 3 is the whole cube. I split it at square and then 1. 2x minus 3 is the one part, and then 2x minus 3 the whole square is the two part is there. I directly take it down, 2x minus 3, and then 2x minus 3 the whole square. Apply the formula is that a minus b the whole square. Then it changed at 4x square minus 6x plus 9. Now we have find the answer 2x minus 3. And then second is the polynomial sum is an division sum. First of all, they gave one expression 2x 27x cube minus 54x square plus 36x minus 8, and then another side they are asked one expression and then they gave the 3x minus 2. The expression is there. The another side they gave two expressions. One they are asked, one they are gave. It is in the multiplication format. I take it down, one expression I take it down is the opposite side. It will be changed at division. Now I divide that sum. Using the 3 table, I divide the sum. 3 9s are 27. I applied, and then likewise I applied that is a norm. It is like a normal division. I applied and then found the answer. The answer is 9x square minus 12x plus 4. And we are going to see the social studies. Okay, you all know that. You are already learned that in the social. Explain the following terms. To boycott. To abstain for buying. The answer is to abstain for buying. They are neglect the Britisher products. They don't want to buy the Britisher products. It's a boycott. Nowadays we are all boycott the China app. This is also the boycott. Non-cooperation. Refusing to work together. They don't want to work with the Britishers. It's a non-cooperation movement. And then civil disobedience, disobey the rules and regulations passed by the government. The rules and regulations which are passed by the government, passed by the Britishers, our Indians are regulate the rules, they are disobey the rules. Representative, present elected to present the views. Our elected person is the representative, or CM. Our CM is our representative. Our Prime Minister is also a representative. In our class, the class leader is a representative for the children. Self-defense, to protect oneself. They, in our law, it is an acceptable one. We can hurt someone if you want some. If others are hurting us, we can hurt them back also. This is our law. This is self-defense. And then general knowledge, they are asked, they gave some pictures of the president. They are asking their names and which country they are ruled. First one is the Winston Churchill. He ruled England. He ruled from the year 1940 to 1945. This is for your knowledge. I just added in that PPT. From 1940 to 1945, he ruled in England. He is an army officer also. And then John F. Kennedy, he ruled in USA from January 1961 to 1963 November. He ruled in USA. Nelson Mandela is a famous person in Africa. He ruled in Africa also. He ruled from the year 1994 to 1999. Zakir Hussain, he is a famous personality in India. He is the third president of our country. He ruled from the 13 May 1967 to 1969. Until his death, he ruled our country. Thank you all for watching this video.